How to use Temu coupon bundle. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can use the Temu coupon bundle. So let us begin. First, what you'll have to do is open up the Temu app. After you open it up, make sure that you're logged into your account. If you don't have an account, you can simply register it. The process is really simple. And after you do that, all you need to do is go to the U section that's on the bottom. Tap on U, and here you will see a lot of options. Now here, before you move on with this process, you will need to add few of the items on your cart. After you do so, go to coupons and offers, and after you're here, all you need to do is type in the coupon code of the coupon bundle. After you type that in, tap on apply, and after you tap on apply, it will reappear here on your coupons and offers. Now here you can see under used, you will see all of the coupons that you've used till now and the expired section where you'll find the expired coupons. Now go to the unused section where you can find all of the coupons that you used the code for. And after you do that, you will get massive discounts on your items that you're trying to buy. And that is basically all for this video, guys. I hope this video helped you. If it did, leave a like down below and stay tuned.